All right, how's everybody doing? Welcome back. All right, the track season keeps getting better and better as the Jamaican ladies, the trio of Shelly, Elaine, and Sherika, keep putting in excellent performances. This time, fresh off the Diamond League event in Lausanne, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce is showing us that she is not done, according to Shakira. What's your name? Shacarri. I'm not done. That is what Shelly is saying. No, she has managed to run the third fastest time in 100-meter history for women with a 10.60, which I was lucky enough to watch on my TV. All right. For those of you who haven't seen the race, I suggest you go take a good look at it as it was executed to perfection because you know what it takes to beat Elaine, the fast plane. You have to execute to perfection, and that's what Shelly did, and she was able to pull out the result. All right. Now we have a article here from the BBC, good old reliable BBC. It says Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce runs the third fastest time in women's 100-meter history. All right. That is dated for the 26th of August, 2021. Before I go into it, all I can say is look out for a video I'm about to do because I believe Flojo's record from mostly 1988 is under threat. And it's not under threat from just one person. It is being hunted and gunned down by two Jamaican bounty hunters. And you know their names. Need I say more? All right. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce ran the third fastest time in women's 100-meter history to edge out Elaine Thompson herah in their last encounter at the Diamond League meet in Lausanne, Switzerland. Fraser-Pryce clocked a stunning 10.60 seconds to beat the Olympic champion, Jamaican compatriot Thompson herah, who registered 10.064 seconds, the fastest losing time in the event's history. So that should show you the caliber of race that it was. As Olympic silver medalist Fraser-Pryce won, Sherika Jackson, who took bronze in Tokyo, was third again. Fraser-Pryce maintained her pace at the hope stretch to hold off Thompson herah and set a new personal best. Believe it or not, I have still not run my best race. I know there's more to give, the 34-year-old said. I still need to work further on perfecting my technique. There will be more from me this season. My goal is to break into the 10.50 range. Now, once you get into that range, you are approaching the world record. All right. Thompson herah ran 10.504 seconds last week at last week's meets in Eugene, Oregon, but says she has no plans to break Florence Griffith Jr.'s world record. Florence Griffith Joyner, not Jr., world's record of 10.59 seconds. Elaine says, my body is feeling tired after a long season, and especially after having done a personal best 4 times in a month, she said, which in itself is a huge accomplishment when you think about that. Who does that? 4 personal bests in a month? Jesus. Excellent. My body is feeling tired. All right, we read that part already. I have no plans to break the world record, and I have never thought of getting so close. I'm simply going to continue working hard, finish this season strong, and come back even stronger next season. So excellent performance from our 1, 2, 3 group of ladies there again. You know what I mean? The run left them gang. If you haven't seen that video, you should go see it. It's on YouTube. Yes, but again, consistency, which is key. And at this level, you have to be consistent. And at 34-year-old, Shelly is showing that she's not just satisfied with coming second behind Elaine. And this is what we need in order to see these ladies push themselves closer and closer to that world record. Because if we're honest, a year ago, none of us thought this was possible. But now our ladies are in tip-top shape and looking like they are going to threaten that world record, or at least come as close to it as possible. So guys, let me know what you think in the comments below. And remember, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. All right.